Hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel where we make e-commerce easy and exciting and fun. Today we're shifting gears a bit. So instead of talking about tactics and strategy, we're talking about something a little more crucial, and that's your mindset. So yes, in terms of preparing yourself mentally for e-commerce trading and success. So grab a comfy seat, let's get our mind game strong. Okay, let's get started. So we've got a few mindset mastery tips that we would like to talk about. And the first one is about embracing the learning curve. Okay, so first things first. So e-commerce is a journey, okay, filled with ups and downs. So you've got to acknowledge that you won't know everything from the get-go, okay? And that's perfectly okay. Be ready to learn and adapt at all times, okay? Mindset mastery number 2 is persistence pays off, okay? So as always, persistence is key. That goes with anything really, and it's the same with online business. So you're gonna face challenges and setbacks. That's a given. So the secret sauce to success is pretty much not giving up. Just keep pushing, keep tweaking, stay the course. That's extremely important. Next mindset mastery tip is celebrate small wins, okay? No matter how small your first few wins are, whether it's a $2 sale, it doesn't really matter. No matter how minute that particular win is, that's awesome, okay? So if you received any positive feedback whatsoever, pat yourself on the back because that's a fantastic step forward. These little victories will add up and just keep you motivated over and over again. Mindset mastery number 4, stay positive but realistic, okay? So that's extremely important. So a positive outlook is essential, but it's equally important to remain realistic about what you're doing. So set achievable goals and don't fall for the overnight success myth because it doesn't exist. And believe me, we've been doing this for many years, and the overnight success myth is exactly what it is, a myth. You need to work hard, stay persistent, and stay positive, but it will happen, okay? Mindset mystery number 5, keep your balance, okay? Very important. So balance is crucial. Don't let e-commerce, the venture consume you, okay? And when I say that, I mean, make time for yourself, your hobbies, your loved ones. That's extremely important. Don't just sort of let it overtake your own life, because a well-rounded life, it fuels success all the time, okay? So make sure that you balance out your life with your business online and your own personal life at the same time, okay? Very important. And that's a wrap on mastering the mindset for e-commerce online business success, okay? Remember, the right mindset isn't just about being optimistic, okay? It's about being prepared, it's about being persistent, being balanced. So thanks for tuning in, and if you found these tips helpful, please, as always, subscribe to the channel for further tips about online success and online tricks, hints, and information. So here's to building a successful, fulfilling e-commerce journey. See you in the next video. Thank you. If you're digging these tips and really enjoying what you're listening to, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We can't wait to see you building your successful drop shipping empire, online business empire. Until next time, keep hustling. Thank you.